far do we have to go?
2.5 hours, I think.
Alright, Sabrina, where are we?
Well, this is the Holiday Inn Express.
That's the airport over there.
Finally made it.
Finally. There we go. Took off, 4.5 hour flight. We made it to Iceland. The best flight ever. Over Greenland, and it was a sunset for like 6 hours straight.
That's crazy.
Sabrina and I just got in the biggest fight ever because we couldn't find our way out of Reykjavik. Sabrina, I'm sorry, I love you. Look at that. Okay, we're pulled over somewhere.
In the west.
Don't know where we are, but we're trying to find the Glymur. Out and around there.
Look what we found. In the middle of nowhere.
Some sort of a Christmas
Parade.
Scared.
Fireplace.
I don't know what's going on. We just found a waterfall on the side of the road 20 minutes into our drive, and yeah, check it out.
This is our camper van for the next 10 days. We're on our first day and we made it to Glymur. Nick's in the back and he's starting to cook. We're gonna fire up our little stove.
Put that in there like that. Lock it in place. Close it.
Okay.
Put this water in here somehow.
Okay. We got the water flowing. Twist it.
Throw that on there.
Show us how it's done.
It's pretty easy.
Oh, we're at Glymur.
Yeah.
5 hours away.
What is Glymur?
It's the tallest waterfall in Iceland.
Yeah. And how many wrong turns did we make before we got here?
Too many. So here's a giant cave at Glymur. Who do we have in this one?
Alright, we're almost to the top. I'm going on probably close to 30 hours now with absolutely no sleep. And Sabrina and I are hiking to this waterfall. Hopefully we'll make it. We just ate Mr. Noodle Bowl, so I got energy for the day and
Pack some granola bars.
get some granola bars.
Look how clear it is.
Tell me if it's good.
Just one rock.
Is it good?
That's so good.
That is the top of the tallest waterfall in Iceland. natural hot spring. There's another one close by, and everyone is in that one, but no one knows about this secret one.
This one's amazing.
Just big enough for two of us. It's called Land Brotelo. Just came out to these ruins and thought we saw a log. Turned out to be, I don't know, a dead sheep, I think. Yeah, and it's not that old, I don't think.
It doesn't look that decomposed.
It stinks.